Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, just a quick catch up on the back garden. As you can see, it's a bit of a mess at the moment. These have not been watered for a few days. I've only just watered them today, so it would just start to pick up there. I'm trying to save water this year because the water bill last year on a water meter was absolutely humongous. The grass seed that I sowed a few days ago, I just watered this, as you can see, just started to come through nicely. The beds have been pinching a bit, but not too much. And my beautiful border that I planted up, I grow everything here from seed or bulbs. Beautiful dahlias there. This is the second flowering of this delphinium. Oops, you can just see that. It's got powdery mildew, so it does need spraying for that. You can just see that on the leaves there. This is a beautiful, it's like orangey yellow, a two-tone lupin, which I'm definitely going to keep and sow some seeds from these. I haven't got any seeds on it, but hopefully this will be nice. This cosmos is absolutely gorgeous. Wow, the scent of that is amazing. The reason I've not deadheaded anything at the moment, I'm trying to leave everything to set seed here. I want to collect as many seeds as I possibly can. There we go, some beautiful dahlia seedlings. Just let them dry out. See there? Just to show you. Look at those. In between the seedlings there. I should collect some more of those. They come through. Here's my poppies. Collecting some more of these seeds. I don't know if you can hear the rattle. Just do that, and that's when you can tell they're ready. All you do is snap it off and turn it upside down. Just give it a tip like so. And that's your seeds. Just give them a chuck on there, and they'll be fine for next year, those. Yeah, I have, as we come down and round, some beautiful yellow dahlias and some red dahlias there. There's some more seeds that have set, so I need to collect those. Let's now look at this border at the back here. As you can see, this is one of the penstemons that I grew from seed. Beautiful flower. That's the red variety. As we come through to the climbers, look at the beautiful red berries on those. Pretty gorgeous. Beautiful pink climber there. And I'll just show you this. This is amazing. This. Look at this gladioli. Isn't that a beautiful colour? Yeah. So all this is going to be left, and as soon as we get some really good weather, well, as soon as we get some really good dry weather, I shall be hoping everything is going to set seed here, and I shall be able to collect everything. So yeah, that's a little border there. I hope you enjoyed my little walk around. I'll just show you my, before we stop, these are my 2 half-moon baskets. As you can see, looking really well. Everything's starting to go over now, but it's still looking well. Look at those, doesn't need deadhead in that one. Yeah, looking really well. So yeah, if you have any questions, as I say to us folks, if you like the videos, please subscribe. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep yourself safe. Bye.